This setup is for processing spodumene and lepidolite stone ore to recover lithium. It is a flotation separation plant, has a high recovery ratio for lithium oxide. For spodumene ore, the lithium concentrate, LiO2, grade can reach about 4 to 5% after processing. For lepidolite ore, the lithium concentrate, LiO2, grade can reach about 6 to 7% after processing, and the final exact LiO2% depends on LiO2% in raw material and other minerals conditions. The full processing plant includes 4 systems: crushing system, grinding system, flotation system, and concentrate filtering system. Main machines include raw material feeding hopper, vibration feeder, jaw crusher, cone crusher, double roller crusher, vibration screen, belt conveyor, small vibration feeder, storage bin, ball mill, spiral classifier, mixing tank, flotation machine, slurry pump, thickener, disc vacuum filter machine, etc. Crushing system. A vibration feeder is for feeding raw material below 300 to 400 mm to the primary jaw crusher stably and evenly. There are 3-stage crushers in the crushing system, including a jaw crusher, cone crusher, double roller crusher. The jaw crusher is for the primary crushing of big stones below about 100 mm. Then output from the jaw crusher will go to the cone crusher for secondary crushing. The output from the cone crusher is about below 30 mm. Then the output from the cone crusher will go to the number 1 vibration screen out 0 to 30 mm and more than 30 mm over size, and send it back to the cone crusher crushing again. The 0 to 30 mm will go to a double roller crusher for third stage crushing to a smaller size below 10 mm. Make sure to get 0 to 10 mm feeding to the ball mill, so output material from the roller crusher will go to another vibration screen with 10 mm mesh size. Will screen out more than 10 mm oversized, sending back to the roller crusher. 0 to 10 mm powder material will send to stockpile on the ground by conveyor. So the crushing system can work separately from the grinding system. The smaller the feeding material size to the ball mill, the better, so the ball mill grinding efficiency will be higher and the effect will be much better. That's why we design a 3-stage crusher in a crushing system to make a smaller feeding size for the ball mill, such as 0 to 5 mm or 0 to 8 mm or 0 to 10 mm. Grinding system. Since the 0 to 10 mm powder material is stocked on the ground, so need to feed it to the storage bin before the ball mill, then feed the powder material smoothly by the electromagnetic feeder to the ball mill through a belt conveyor. The ball mill is for grinding material to small fine powder, to make sure to liberate lithium oxide as much as possible out from spodumene and lepidolite ore, so the next flotation separation can get the best recovery ratio. For spodumene ore, usually, the final product of 200 mesh occupies 75 to 80%. For lepidolite ore, need grind final product of 120 mesh occupies 60 to 70%. So in order to get those fine powder sizes, the ball mill needs to work together with a spiral classifier. Overflow of the classifier will be the 100 to 200 mesh fine slurry, and the underflow coarse particles will go back to the ball mill grind again, to be closed circuit. So from this grinding system we'll get 100 mesh to 200 mesh slurry. Flotation system. The 100 to 200 mesh slurry will be firstly sent to a mixing tank by slurry pump, to make sure the material is mixed completely. Then material from the mixing tank goes to flotation machines. At the same time, I need to add relevant chemicals in the flotation machine to separate out LiO2. The flotation process has primary separation to get concentrate ore and tailings. The concentrate ore will be processed by another 2 stages of flotation, and tailings also will be processed by another 2 stages flotation process. In this way, can increase the lithium oxide recovery ratio and make the lithium oxide grade to as high as possible. So after the flotation process, I will finally get high-grade lithium oxide. The flotation system can be adjustable according to material real conditions. Concentrate ore filtering system. After getting the lithium oxide concentrate ore from the flotation system, it is with water, so it needs to dewater, because the size is very small, fine 100 to 200 mesh. So firstly use a thickener to thicken the concentrate, make higher density, then use a disc vacuum filter machine to filter water, and dry lithium concentrate ore. The water from the thickener and vacuum filter can be reused to process plants. This spodumene and lepidolite ore flotation processing plant is highly effective to recover lithium, Leo2. The plant design can be customized as per rock minerals conditions, capacity, and customer requirements.